have a handbag unboxing today. So I posted about all of the really great handbag sales that were going on during Black Friday. And this is pre-filmed, but at the time I'm filming this, it is fresh off of Black Friday. And I ordered 2 bags from Kate Spade Surprise, that is their outlet store. And I got a stinking good deal. So I want to show you, I played with these in store. They were actually in my new handbag shopping vlog, and that's kind of where I sussed these out and I saw them. So let's go ahead and open the smaller one first. Now when you order from Kate Spade Surprise, since it's their outlet store, it's not as nice of an experience. I just put it in plastic bags, but whatever. I got a really, really good deal on this. So then when you order, this is a completely sequin bag, so it has potential to be a mess, but it's wrapped up nicely. Now, if you know me, you know I love glittery things, and Kate Spade, in the time of the holiday season, they always go for it when it comes to the glitter. They have so many glitter slash sequiny options, so I have been looking to take advantage of that. I knew I was gonna want a couple glittery pieces, and this is one of the 2 that I went with. So this particular one is the Kiki sequin convertible wristlet. It is full price for $79. What price did I buy them at? I want to brag. Where's my phone? So if you're upset that you missed this amazing deal that I got, I posted about this on my community tab during Black Friday. You were warned. I got this for only $40, and this is actually bigger than I thought it was going to be because it is advertised as a wristlet, but this is big. I'm going to have to compare it to a Coach Nolita 19, but let me get all the stuffing out really quickly. Okay, so here it is, the Kiki sequin convertible wristlet. So the hardware on this is silver because it is a silver bag, and then it comes with this strap. Now the only thing about the strap is it's like a little oddly twisted. Oh, that was my fault. Okay, but it's a little like morphed. I feel like it needs to be worn in a little bit. Now what's special about this and makes it a wristlet is there's D-hooks on both sides, so you can wear it under the shoulder, or you can wear it as a wristlet, which is not likely how I will be wearing it. I'll probably just be wearing it as a cute small little under the shoulder bag. Looks like this. So here is the full front. Now I will say the sequins don't look the most expensive, but for paying literally $40 for this when the normal price is $79, I am not mad. But if you can see, they have like a soft fabric underneath, and then the sequins are kind of everywhere. It's not the most high quality sequined item that I've ever seen. I didn't pay a lot for it. That's my thing. I like a good deal like this because I'm not gonna wear this a lot anyways, most likely. I don't leave my house. But the zipper, really nice and smooth. And here is the inside. You have the Kate Spade logo. And for organization, there's 6 card slots and then 1 big pocket on the inside, which I think is really nice for such a small bag. So let me go into the details of it. You can actually purchase it in 3 different shades. So they have it in silver, black, and red. I was going back and forth between the silver and the red. I kind of wish I got the red, but the silver is, I thought, a little bit more neutral. This is perfect for New Year's, for the holidays. That's what I purchased it for. I live in Miami, so I can wear this wherever, whenever. Product details in this, it is 12.5 inches in depth, 8 inches in height, and 5 inches in width, which doesn't sound right. I think their measurements are wrong. The strap drop is 5 inches and 1/8. And I believe the height is 5 inches, and then the width is 8 inches. And so cute, on the website it says, for editor's notes, this petite accessory has the perfect space for money and cards, but feel free to throw in your lipstick and chocolate stash as well. And honestly, this looks quite roomy. Let me go grab a Nolita 19 and let's compare the sizes. So this is a Coach Nolita 19. This is one of my favorite bags that they have at the outlet store. I just want to compare the size for you. The Kate Spade is pretty much the exact same size, if not like a little, like the tiniest little bit bigger, but we're talking maybe like a 1/4 of an inch bigger. My Nolita 19, they tend to have a wider base and then get thinner towards the top, whereas you can see the Kate Spade really doesn't, but I would say they're equally as spacious looking inside, the two. So if you're familiar with the Nolita 19, very similar size. And by the way, you cannot take off the strap. It is connected here. You only have the option of moving it from here to here, which again is the same as the Nolita 19, but let me show you it against my body. So here it is. It fits perfectly underneath my shoulder. The strap drop, remember, is not the longest. So if this isn't enough space for you, you can also just hook it up here and then wear it as a wristlet as well. But I think this is the perfect little evening bag for any holiday parties or anything like that. Let me just show you it in the mirror really quick as well so you can see it compared to the full body. Remember, I am only like 4'10", 4'11", so what looks like a good size on me might be very small on you if you are taller than myself. I'm wearing this black dress from Walmart a couple years ago. It's really high quality for Walmart, but anyways, here is the bag against my body. You can see it's really the perfect size to just hold my phone, my keys, and a lipstick, my wallet, a couple cards, anything I need like that. I'll show you guys what fits in a second. You can also wear it like this, just around the arm, and then of course like a wristlet. And then here is a nice close look, not in front of the studio lights, in case you wanted to see what the sequins look like. Let's do a little size references so you can see what fits inside this little cutie. I do have the largest iPhone that fits perfectly. It does take up some space, but it barely makes it, but it does. I have my very disorganized card holder, which also fits in here, and I have my card standing up vertically to be easier to grab, and it still fits. And I have plenty of space for a lipstick, my keys, lip gloss, anything. Here is a pepper spray. Makes it a little bit fat, but you have all the essentials you need just to quickly run out the door. You know, it's not an everyday bag, obviously, but a lot more fit in this than I thought. I was worried it would end up being a really tiny wristlet, but I'm $40. I cannot believe that. I will keep an eye out to see if this goes on sale again and let you guys know, but let's get into the other bag that I picked up. So this one is also another sequin bag, but it's a little bit of a different style. I did see online that they did have this style, at least the moment that I'm filming this, that's not sequined if you don't want the sequin, but I wanted the sequin. So this one also is completely covered. So let's do the big reveal. And I also got a steal of a deal with this one. Okay, this one is even more beautiful than I remember, and it's looking very Prada re-edition to me for a really cheap price. There is a longer strap as well. So the full price of this right now, if you were to buy it, is $145. I got this for Black Friday for $72. Come on, what a good deal. And I think it is so beautiful. Now this one also came in the silver and the red, but as of now on the website, this is the issue with outlet shopping, is when they're gone, they're gone. The silver and red is already out of stock, but I think the black is the most wearable. I wanted the bigger bag to be more neutral. Now feeling the sequin, and this one and the silver one, these aren't the softest sequins. I can see if you're not wearing anything long sleeve that this could get a little scratchy, so be careful about that. But take a closer look. Now the proper name of this is the Kiki Sequin Convertible Crossbody, and this one's hardware is the silver gold mix that Kate Spade normally does. So the measurements of this one is 9.5 inches in width, 5.3 inches in height, and then 1.85 in depth here. The strap drop for the long chain is 22 inches, so we'll see how this works on my petite body. So they have the mixed gold chain strap right here, which I love a chain strap. These are not detachable, so these are going to be on the bag the whole time. So you have the option to wear this as under the shoulder, which is so cute. And then when you open it, let's see, how many pockets do we have? There is just a slip pocket. Then you have the logo on the inside. And there also on the other side is 3 slots for cards if you need. And then all throughout in the lining, they do have the Kate Spade sign in there. And then it also does come with a completely detachable leather / chain strap. So you're just going to attach to the D-ring over here, and then you would have this part hanging. The strap itself is not adjustable, which for me is a no-no, so I might have to change this out. We'll see how it fits against my body, but let's see. So here is what it would look like underneath the shoulder. It is a bit of a bigger bag. I will compare it to the wristlet next, but I think it's like a lot more subtle. But then, you know, when the light hits it, of course, you're glittering really cute. It doesn't feel that scratchy, but I can see over a long time it getting a little irritating to the skin. But then, let's see how low does it go. Not bad. Let me pop over to my mirror so you can see it properly. So remember, I am under 5 feet, and this is where the strap hits me, and it is not adjustable. It's not a bad height, though I probably would prefer it to be just a little bit shorter, but most people are taller than me, so most people won't have that issue, but it still is really cute. I do see myself wearing it mostly just under the shoulder though. Lately, this is how I prefer to wear my bags anyways, just because I feel my bag is more protected, but still so cute. Okay, so let's compare the 2 bags because I got them for 2 very different prices. So here's the wristlet in front of the crossbody. The crossbody, as you can see, is a little bit taller, but width-wise, no, they're different in width. The crossbody is like a 1/2 inch to 1 inch bigger in all ways, except for the depth, I would say. So you can definitely fit more in the crossbody, but not that much more. In terms of the drop of the handles, you also do have a little bit more space with the crossbody. So all around, the crossbody is a little bit bigger, but not by much. You know, it's definitely gonna have an easier time holding my phone, my wallet, my lip glosses, and things like that. But I think for the price difference, if you're not planning on wearing the crossbody as an actual crossbody, the better bet is probably just to get the wristlet if you plan on wearing it under the shoulder. Plus, as of today, the wristlet is available in all of the colors and not the crossbody. So, I mean, I like the black color. I'd recommend the black color. I feel like looking at the 2 bags side by side, this one looks a little bit more higher quality because you have the chain strap. Obviously, you have the long strap option as well. But the black sequin, I think, also makes it look a little higher quality as well. The leather strap here, I don't like that it got a little bit warped in shipping, but I think overall this is the better value. This one is still a little bit nicer, but this one is the better value if you plan on only wearing it as a shoulder bag. So overall, obviously it's very early. I only just unboxed these, but I'm really happy. I'm definitely going to be wearing these over the holiday season. Got fantabulous deals on these, so make sure you guys are following me and have your notifications on, because all the time I am letting you know if you're into the handbag space, if you're looking for good deals, I let you know of them, especially for gifts, which at this point might be a little bit late, but I gift myself a lot. So anytime there's good deals, I let you guys know, and I let you guys know about these because I got these for like 50% off. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Let me know which bag is your favorite that I unboxed today. Are you into these fun, glittery, extra bags for the holidays? I wouldn't spend a lot of money on bags that were so out there, but I got these for right around $100, both of them together. So I'm really, really happy with that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel because we are finishing up Vlogmas. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye guys, have a good one.